Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the fifth program in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, how to make a wireless telegraph using Microbit. You can use it to send messages to your friends, just like a telegraph. First, let's take a look at this wireless telegraph in action. When you press button A on the Microbit, it sends a message over the radio. The Microbit on the receiving end will display the message as it is received. Isn't that interesting? So, how do we implement a wireless telegraph with a Microbit? Let's walk through it step by step. The Microbit's radio feature is a wireless radio communication mechanism based on the 2.4 GHz band. It allows the Microbit to send and receive short-range packets over a specified channel and is typically used for broadcast-style communication. Each device can send a message, and all other devices on the same channel can receive it without complex setup. The broadcast range is about 7,100 meters and is commonly used for simple multi-device interaction and data sharing projects. Knowing the Microbit's broadcasting capabilities, let's start writing the program. First of all, we will write a program for the transmitter, which is responsible for sending the hello signal. First of all, at the beginning of the program, we need to add a radio set group block to the radio location to set the group ID of the radio communication. In this case, it is set to 14. Then, add a code block that will send a message when button A is pressed. Put in the radio, send string block and enter hello here. Connect the Microbit to your computer using the USB cable and download this program to the Microbit you use to send messages. Next, write the program for the receiving end. Again, at the beginning of the program, set the group ID for the radio communication to be the same as the sender's ID, which in our case is also set to 14. Then add an on-radio receive block to the radio location, which will run the code when a new message is received. The variable receive string contains the string we sent. When the message is received, the hello character is displayed in the LAD array. The program on the receiving end is also complete. Connect the Microbit to your computer using the USB cable and download this program to the other Microbit you used to receive the message. Let's take a look at the result. Both Microbit are powered up at the same time. When we press button A on the transmitting end, the LED dot matrix on the receiving end shows hello. A message was successfully sent. Now you have learned how to make a wireless telegraph using Microbit. You can use it to send messages to your friends. We can also extend this project by sending different messages or using different buttons. Try it out. That's it for today's lesson. Did you learn how to make a Microbit wireless telegraph? If you liked our lesson, please follow our account and we'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks.